What up, what up, what up, what up, and welcome. I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. What determines a clean code? What is that one thing that will tell if the code is clean or not? Based on my own experience, that one thing is the amount of stress and strain that I will acquire when trying to understand your code. To me, that is the only litmus test for a clean code. You might have few lines, you might have well arranged code, but if I stress too much trying to understand your code, for me that will be the number one indicator that your code is not clean. So obviously some people take the majority or give credit to few lines in coding or clean code in terms of it's nicely arranged, it's neat, and the variables, and also it has got a lot of comment. But what if I struggle to understand what the code does? Remember, I'm the next person, I'm not you. I was not there when you are writing the code. I really don't understand what was going on into your mind. What if you can have a very lightweight code with comments and the variable naming and function naming on point, your object-oriented skills, they are on point, but nobody can understand how your code functions? Is it extensible? No. Is it useful? Yes, only for now, but it doesn't appeal to the future. The future is very, very dark for that code, because it means that the only person who can put their hands on that code and understand it, it's that one developer who first wrote the code. So for me, the one true thing that I really think clean code means, it means a stressless code. So it means that your code must not stress me. I must not sweat in trying to understand how your code has been written. Obviously, this is done by a lot of factors. I do understand that the amount of code in one page or in one class, I do understand that your naming convention, and also your comments in a way, and also if your code is not self-expressive, that means it's not a clean code. But there's that one thing, the amount of stress that I get or acquire by trying to understand your code. If I can read a code and finish it, or at least one page of a code and finish it without stressing too much, and then get the idea of what is going on, I think that will be the one thing that companies and also other people are needing from a developer, to easily and quickly read your code without stressing too much, without getting my mind very busy as if maybe I'm in an accounting class or I'm being taught rocket science. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, that's all. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.